To find the value of x, a side length of a right triangle, you're going to want to make sure that you look at sine, cosine, or tangent to use to find that missing side length. Here I have the x being the adjacent because that is next to my angle, and then the 42 is my hypotenuse because it is across from my 90 degrees. So therefore, this is going to result in using cosine. So the cosine of 22 degrees is going to equal the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So to solve this, I'm going to simply multiply both sides by 42, and that's going to undo the fraction. That's just going to leave me with x on the right-hand side of that equal sign. So I have 42 times the cosine of 22, which therefore, when you type that into your calculator, making sure you're in degree mode, x equals 38.94, and if you round that to the nearest whole number, that would be 39.